every unorganized worker or the informal sector worker should have a right to social security. Karnataka is the first state where GIZ, along with Department of Labour, has experimented the concept of Worker Facilitation Center. As a part of the project, we had set it up 250 centers. The Worker Facilitation Center basically is a bridge between the government departments, that basically the schemes which are being covered. I mentioned about the various departments giving various kind of schemes to cover the risk, and the unorganized workers. So this is basically the which logo which you see in the middle of it, it is called a helping hand. The perception of the person who really manning this center is that he's the one there to help the people to access the various social security schemes. Normally these centers are being run by the community facilitators, and they are the local people, because the acceptability of these people among the households is much better, because they know them who's this person and why the person is visiting them, so acceptability gets very high for these people. And as a part of their function, they actually maintain the data bank, and they also create the awareness among the people about the various social security schemes. Now, the facilitation process actually goes through the 4 stages, right from identification, assistance, submission, and the follow-up. Now, when identification is normally done by the facilitator by using a structured questionnaire, which focuses on to see what is the status of the social security schemes at the household level existing, and then which are the other schemes a particular member of the unorganized worker or he or she himself become eligible for the scheme. So that is the first step which they do. Once they are collecting the data and then they do the analysis, they also provide the information back to the household saying so and so in this house is available for so and so scheme. So from then on the process begins to assistance. Now in the assistance, as I said, there are various application forms which one has to fill in. There are various documents which are required to apply for every scheme. So the facilitator at this point in time helps them to fill up the application forms, helps them to collect the documents which are required if they don't have them, and also complete the application in all respect. If it is a contributory scheme, the contribution is collected, and if it is non-contributory scheme, then the papers are completed with their signatures and all. So third step which the facilitator will do is of the submission of the application form. Now the application form, once it is submitted to the department, then the follow-up starts off. They have to see where the application, they keep track of it actually where it is gone. Once the application is cleared by the particular department, they track it out, and then generally they will organize a small function where to tell them who has got what benefit, and also promote the concept of Worker Facilitation Center so that many more people come to know about it, that this is a particular center which helps them to access the social security scheme.